Just 1 hour from Nashville, there's a place full of charm, history, and a whole lot to explore. Welcome to Granville. It's a place where you can have a meal with food made from the heart, or take a stroll through downtown and visit the shops. Pick up a unique memento at the lovely find, or get inspired by the elaborate designs of Aunt Bee's farmhouse, quilt shop, and bakery. Step back in time at Independence Hall or Sutton Homestead and explore the rich history of Pioneer Village. Watch artisans at work, visit our diverse variety of museums, reminisce about your favorite TV shows, and experience the traditions that make this town one of a kind. Spend the afternoon by the water at Wildwood Resort and Marina, or simply take in the views and fresh air all around you. Slow things down, stay a while, and enjoy every moment. Granville, Tennessee, your next favorite getaway.